Welcome back to Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Sam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to Lovelies. Thanks for coming back and tuning in. Before we get started, I just want to say that if you are not a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you can be a part of the crafty family here. And so for today's sip and share, I'm going to be real brief. I am sipping on the Twinings Pure Chamomile Herbal Tea. It says naturally caffeine free, a relaxing herbal tea made using only 100% pure chamomile blossoms. So that's what I'm sipping on. It's perfect for today because it's chilly. And I honestly don't need another drop of caffeine. So for now, this is good. First thing in the morning, not so much. So, and it's very calming, a very mild, soothing flavor that I'm sure that you would enjoy. So give it a try if you haven't already. This week in the mail, I received an order from scrapbook.com. I just purchased these stamps, just them by themselves. They were they had a promo on Facebook for the stamps were free as long as you pay for the shipping, and I think the shipping was $2.49. And so if I can find that link, I will drop it below so that you could take advantage of that. And then they also sent this with a special coupon code, stamp 82737, for 15% off your order. So give it a try. It says it's good for 2 weeks, but I'm sharing that with you so that you can take advantage of whatever discount you can if you happen to be shopping there. But the stamps that came with it are these: thinking of you, happy birthday, happy. I like that the happy birthdays are separate. Thanks, just for you. And this is the one that I really wanted, which was handmade with the little heart on the envelope. So, can't wait to try those out. I'm not sure what the quality is, but it's scrapbook.com. It can't be too bad because they've been in business and they're very popular. Now, for the month of February, we know it's the month of love, and I wanted to share with you a card that I made for a Galentine card. And I made this using a stamp that I purchased off of Amazon for a friend. I made this for a friend. She's in another state, another crafty friend, and I know that she's a gardener. So I wanted to send her something that wasn't too mushy, but something that I think that she would like. So if you take a look, you can see that there's a little bit of shading in there, and I'm going to explain to you what I used to do that. This is not watercolor. This is actually markers that I found at the Dollar Tree, believe it or not. And that is these. The Penmark Permanent Ink Marker. And it is, let me move this out of the way before I make a mess. It is a fine tipped point. And it does allow for a little bit of shading. Now the colors may vary from store to store, but for $1, these 4 markers, and to get these colors, I thought was a really good deal. I had not even looked twice at them, but the girl that was in the checkout line ahead of me, she had she suggested them. She saw some of the craft stuff that I had up on the counter, and so she said, grab a pair, you won't, she said, grab a pack, you won't regret it. And she was right. So the shading that you see in there, let me try and bring it up a little closer if you can see the shading. I did all of that with these markers. So they are called, it's the brand is Penmark, and it's by Ink, which I believe the same brand is found at Dollar General. So that is it for today. Grab yourself a cup of tea, relax, and I'll probably be on later, maybe not on here, but back in here crafting. So till we're back here again on YouTube, stay encouraged, blessed, creative, and crafting. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Lovelies, your inspirational craft journey. Bye for now.